Teacher, honorable person, I am giving salam, assalamu alaikum. I am Mr. Nurul sir, I come from Jolam Student College. Really I am proud of this all organization of Chudutulagaon Alumni Institution. Thank you very much, the honorable person, Atikur Rahman sir. I first only the only day, so really I am proud of this chairman Chudutulagaon Mahila College. On the person, this is the invitation of past debate composition 2019 college level. Really, it is the first for the Border Thana. I am very proud of you. This chairman sir and the very popular person of this not only Border but all over the Bangladesh. I am giving thanks from Chudutulagaon and all the Border Thana. I am giving thanks Mr. Atikur Rahman sir for thank you very much sir. So it is a very interesting person. Our Modular sir, most important person. Really I am giving thanks for all activities. I am the third position of Jolam High School College. First position Chudutulagaon Mahila College. Second is the Aganagar Degree College. Third position is Jolam. Fourth is the postgraduate. It is very interesting for the present time. Really, if you know English is international language. It is spoken all over the world. No nation cannot pursue life without English. You understand? English is the most important. So now I am teacher. So I am ICT teacher, Jolam High School College. But I am speaking truly any person in English. You understand? I am really proud of this organization of Chudutulagaon High School.